welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I'm so glad you're here. If you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family, especially if you enjoy subscription box unboxings. We do a wide variety of subscription boxes here on our channel. In addition, we do some haul videos, some sneak peek videos, and product review videos, which is what I actually have for you today. I have a piece of jewelry here from Jeulia Jewelry, and I'm really excited to see this. I was able to pick this. They reached out to me. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so very much to Jeulia Jewelry for that. I greatly appreciate it. And I want to tell you a little bit about Jeulia Jewelry since this is the first time they are on my channel, so you kind of have an idea. So they have premium artisan jewelry. It is all 925 sterling silver. They do offer a 1-year warranty on all of their pieces, which I think is fantastic, and a 30-day return policy. Now, I can say with the 30-day return policy, there is a little bit of a, well, hold on. If it's like a ring or something and its size, there's a tag on it. Do not take the tag off or you can't return it. They do offer flexible financing as well, and they do free shipping over orders up to $99 or more. Now, I'll put a link down below to Jeulia Jewelry and a link down below to the exact ring that I got. And I'm gonna go ahead and insert some stuff here for you guys to see that kind of tells you a little bit more in depth about the company, so you guys get a better understanding of what their mission and exactly how they go about doing their products and creating these beautiful, unique jewelry pieces. All right, so as you can see, their mission and everything is fantastic. I love the meaning and message behind this company and the pride that they take in their work. And I just can't express enough, the wide variety of jewelry that they have. They have bracelets, earrings, necklaces, rings, they have watches, they have men's jewelry, they have collections, like they have a mermaid collection. They even have some jewelry that is character jewelry. And one thing too that I think is really neat is they even have a ring, and it's like a heart-shaped ring. It's a gorgeous ring. You can actually have a photo, like you can send a photo and they will put that onto the ring, which I think is so sweet. So they are also running a promo right now. It's a Mother's Day promotion where you get a free pair of logo earrings with any order. And then you can also get 10% off site-wide with promo code M10. I'll put that down below as well. And then also, if you buy 2 or more items, you get 20% off with promo code M20. So all of that will be down below, like I said, with a link to Jeulia and a direct link to this ring that we're about to open that I got. So let's go ahead and get in here. So here is the box. Beautiful, simple, classic. All right, so when you open it, here they give you kind of like a coupon and tells you about they have a reward program. And then here it says stop. So this actually, it says read before removing jewelry tag. Items cannot be returned if the jewelry tag is removed. So please carefully check the item and make sure it fits properly before removing the tag. So I do like that they put this like bam right here as soon as you open the box. So that is wonderful. And then they have here a little pamphlet that kind of shows you some of their other pieces. Let me see if I can kind of show you. So like here, this was like character. So there's Groot from Guardians of the Galaxy. And let's see, here's a collection. It's all like the aquamarine. And let's see, they have, oh, there are the rings I was talking about, the photo rings. Those are gorgeous. Here's like a beachy type seashell collection. So their pieces are stunning. You can see that there. I mean, you can definitely, like I said, tell that they take pride in the craftsmanship, and it shows. They literally hand make every single item. So looks like they do also include, this is very nice, a little gift bag. So if you are purchasing this as a gift, they go ahead and give you the little bag too, and a little card you can write in. So that is really nice. I like that touch. Otherwise, if you're ordering for yourself, here's how it comes. So we'll take the box out here. So it is a nice little box. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, so it started to slide, but you can see it has the normal slot right there to sit. It's still in the bag, still has the tag. So we are going to take a look. Now, I was super excited about this because, again, I'm gonna go ahead and take the tag off because, I mean, they sent this to me. So I was able to select the piece of jewelry that I wanted. In addition to being able to select it, they also took the extra step and let me have it engraved, which I am like, oh my gosh. So I chose a ring, and I was going kind of based off of my tattoo right here, which is the infinity symbol and has Christopher's name on it. I didn't quite realize this is more of a knot. I'm gonna see there, but it is just absolutely gorgeous. And I had Christopher engraved in the ring. I don't know that you're gonna be able to see it here on camera. I will try and take a picture and insert it if I'm able to. But let's go ahead and let me take this ring off and put this one on. So there it is. So beautiful. Excuse my nails. But yes, it is absolutely gorgeous. And again, I mean, having the engraved, engraving in there with Christopher's name, and this is kind of like a right-hand mother's ring for me, in my opinion, and I think it is just beyond gorgeous. It really, really is. And like I said, they do have that Mother's Day sale going on right now, and you could definitely treat mom, your wife, girlfriend, sister, whoever. You could treat anyone to a gorgeous piece of jewelry and get the discount with those codes that they're offering. So again, like I said, I will put the links down below for Jeulia Jewelry. Thank you again so much to Jeulia Jewelry for sending this to me. I greatly appreciate it. It is stunning, and I can now proudly wear a ring with my son's name on it, and I just love that. And again, guys, I hope you enjoyed. All the information will be in the description box. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that button. We would love to have you. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.